How to create Cash App account. Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this video presentation, we're going to learn about how to create a Cash App account. So here is how it works. First of all, you have to download the app for iPhone or Android device and then create a Cash App account by connecting your Cash App to your bank account and add to your Cash App when you have money in the Cash App. You can also send money to your friends, receive money from friends, pay for stuff, buy, sell stocks, buy, sell bitcoins, and more. So let's get started. First of all, you have to download the Cash app, which is available on the Apple App Store or the Google Play. Download it directly to your mobile device and then create an account. Tap on the Cash app to launch it, then create an account, enter your phone number or an email address. Cash app will send you a secret code through your text or your email. Enter it, and you can now invite friends to sign up with your Cash app to earn cash, which is optional. Now enter your debit card info to link your bank account to the Cash app. Pick a cash tag, which is a unique username you will use to send and receive your money. Enter your zip code and start using Cash app. So this was all about how you can create a Cash app account. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tips and tutorials. And don't forget to hit that bell icon to stay updated with our latest contents. Thank you for your viewership and support. See you in the next one.